Alright, listen up. Today we're not gonna talk design, we're gonna play it. We're gonna be playing one of the most annoying design games ever. Fair warning, there is going to be frustration. Are they serious? There is going to be cussing. I'm not bothering with this. And this is this pop-up, and you might start questioning your entire career choice. Calm down, calm down. But at the end of it, you're gonna be really happy. Finally, it took me 11 minutes. I did this experiment at work with fellow developers and designers, and it was a chaos. So I thought maybe I should share this pain and the fun with you guys. I'm really excited about this. Let's start playing. Alright, so the first game that we're going to be playing is called UserInyerface. Now somebody sent this game to me and they specifically mentioned that I do not play this game before I do this live recording because that would spoil the real reaction. They told me that this would be my worst nightmare. So come with me and let's try to figure out how can this be my worst nightmare. Alright, so this is the game, UserInyerface. Now the wordplay is nice, I like it. To play this game, simply fill in the form as fast and accurate as possible. Right off the bat, the color scheme is terrifying, but let's ignore that. So how do I proceed? Why is this a button called no? What? Why is this button no? What is the purpose of this button? Oh, okay. Please click here to go to the next page. Oh, okay. What? Nothing happened. Come on, man. Click here. Oh, if I click here, nothing happens. Go. Where am I supposed to click? No. How do I proceed to the next page? Oh, I think so. We're supposed to be clicking here. Oh, yeah. This is so annoying. Oh, come on, man. Why is this so bright red cookie banner up there? And this is, by the way, worst copy I've seen for the site cookies. This site uses cookies. Is that a problem for you? Is that a problem for you? No, not really. Interesting choice of words, but let's close this. What? Why is this coming up? Oh, this button heads it to the bottom. And look at that. Oh my god, this is so slow and this is so annoying. Some next level developer without any input from any designer have just went on and created this worst experience, and this is turning out to be my worst nightmare so far. And let's go with it, right? So it's not so bad right now. All right, so this timer is giving me anxiety. Anyways, oh, what is this? Hurry up, time is ticking. Again, this is so, pressuring. And how do I close this modal? Lock? Unlock? Oh, this is the close button. Oh my god. This is the close button. Can you believe this? Who in their right mind thought that this is where we should put the close button? Again, this is funny and annoying at the same time. But anyways, let's try to fill in this form. All right, so this one is, let's type in some. Oh, this is not a placeholder. So again, a brilliant choice of experience. So you have to cancel all that and then type in your password. And there are some requirements. Again, this is this pop-up. Let's close this. Your password requires at least 10 characters. Password should have at least one capital letter. Let's go with TES 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10. And let's go next. And so this is the worst choice you can have for the CTA. You have the CTA cancel, and which is like so counterintuitive. And you have next as this kind of a disabled ghost button, and this is not just the right way to do it. But anyways, this is how it is supposed to be, right, for this game. This pop-up is really getting on my nerves. But let's go next. Please do not forget to accept our conditions. Do not forget terms and conditions. I do not accept the terms. How confusing is that? Anyways, let's get cracking. What's wrong now? At least one numeral, one letter of your email. One letter of your email. Oh, there should be one letter of your email. So you have to enter the 1D at least in my password. And by the way, this is a password. This should be protected. So this password is open for everybody. Everybody can see this. Come on, man. Password is not unsafe. Your password is not unsafe. Dude, it is really unsafe because you can literally see the password while I type. Everybody who's watching this video can see the password I'm typing. Let's go next. And this blinking thing is kind of giving me anxiety. This is like a weird kind of pressure on me. And this little thing, I'm just stopped bothering with that. Why is this loading? I haven't uploaded anything. To complete your profile, please upload an image. Download. Download image? Oh, this was supposed to be upload. It downloaded something. How do I upload something? Oh, I think so. This is how I can upload. Let's upload something. Okay, so I uploaded this. Choose 3 interests. So I have to uncheck all of these to go ahead. So I have to unselect all of them. Select. What the hell? Oh, there is an option to select all, which selects all of them again. And it's in the middle. Oh, there is an unselect option as well. So let's unselect them and let's just choose 3 of them. I'm not interested in balls. Really not interested in balls. Let's go next. Again, personal details, number. What is number? Is this a phone number? And I can't type here for some reason. Am I supposed to do it like this? Are they serious? No, this can't be serious because you can't have the number. Oh, but you can. Oh my God. Is this how I'm supposed to enter my phone number? Oh my God, this. I'm not gonna be bothering. I'm not bothering with this. Fuck this shit. Anyways, let's. Oh, and again, this is the age, by the way, and I'm supposed to have this slider, and this slider doesn't update on sliding, so I have to kind of guess where I'm putting because there is no indication. Oh my God, this is so annoying. All right, let's put it. I'm just gonna go with 0 age. I'm 0 years old. And country. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is amazing. So I am supposed to select a country from their flag where every flag is desaturated completely. So I have to guess the shape of the flag. I can't even see the colors. This is brilliant. But this is funny and annoying at the same time. So let's find United Kingdom. This one is, I think so, Australia. Oh, so you can see colors on hover. At least. Oh yeah, there you go. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. I found it. What's box? What's a box? What kind of personal details have box field? Birth date. Okay, let's go with 1 April. Calm down. April. Let's go with something like 1994. Gender male. Oh, this is opposite. This is supposed to be male. All right, let's go with next. Age and birth date don't match. Okay. Oh, my age is 0, so it is supposed to be 2025. Now next. Gender and title don't match. Well, why? It's male and it's Mr. Unless, oh my God, this is the other way around. They've switched the active state. So this one is the active state and this isn't the active state. This is, oh my God, this is brilliant. Nailed this. Let's go with this. It turns out I'm starting to get a hang of it. I'm getting good at it, you know. Okay, so I'm supposed to be making selections. Okay, so this is almost done. Now we just need to prove that you are human. Select all the pictures with glasses. All right, so is this glass? Yes, this is. What is this checkbox for? If this is the checkbox for this, what checkbox is this for? I think so. This checkbox is for this image. Oh, okay, interesting. Not interesting, but annoying. Glasses, yes, glasses. What? This is glasses. This is a pair of glasses. Should I select this? Am I supposed to select this? What am I supposed to do here? Again, this is glasses again. I'm just gonna select all of these. Glasses, 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 yes, glasses, 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 glasses. Validate. Finally, it took me 11 minutes and 18 seconds to go through this form. Now, if I were doing it without this video, it still would have taken me more than at least 10 minutes. You're supposed to be completed this kind of form in 1 minute or 2 minutes, but thanks to some genius behind UserInyerface, you can complete this form in more than 10 minutes. All right, so that was really a very painful and exciting experience, but I kind of enjoyed it. This was my first video of this format, you know, doing stuff unedited, unscripted. So do let me know what are your thoughts about such videos in the comment section. If you liked it, please hit that subscribe and thumbs up button. And yeah, like always, see you in the next one.